So driver's side, just in the door well, you can see it there. There's a picture of the lever with a little bonnet on it. Very noisy click. Well, there's your petrol cap, by the way. Round to the front, you've got the finger gap. Look for the badge, there it is. Just off to the right, as you look, bend down and look down, you'll see the lever. My fingers, my right hand fingers there are on either side of the lever, which is attached to the car, not the bonnet. Push to the centre and lift. That's what your fingers were trying to do. See where the bonnet is, see where the badge is. Very basic. Here's your bonnet strut. There's the bonnet hole, the strut hole. Okay, so how do we shut it? Drop it from about 9 inches, 20 centimeters. You heard that good positive click. I can't move that, that's well shut. You must always double check it's properly shut.